Dolphin. Dolphins are aquatic animals. They live in large river, sea and ocean. Dolphins are intelligent, playful and friendly animals. Dolphins are social animals. A group of dolphins living together is called a pod. Dolphins help each other when needed. Dolphin can dive up to 1000 feet underwater. Dolphin can stay underwater for 15 minutes and come to surface to breathe. Dolphins breathe air through a blowhole on top of their head. Dolphins eat fish, shrimp and small squid. Dolphins use clicking, whistling and other such sounds to communicate.